Hi everyone, today let's unbox RadioLink RC8P, 8-channel voice customizable large screen pocket transmitter. Here is the packing box. As we can see in the box, RC8P comes in 4 colors: white, black, pink, and green. Their functions are the same. My RC8P in the box is green. And let's open the box. And let's check out the packing list. RC8P transmitter, R8FG receiver, 18650 battery, lanyard, a model battery voltage telemetry cable, a Type-C cable for firmware updates and charging, and a hex wrench for the wheel. Now let's install the battery. And here is the battery compartment, and this is the battery cover. And we need to slide the battery cover outward in this direction. And release. The cover will open. And then put in the battery. And make sure the protruding end faces outward. And press down on the battery cover. And slide it back. The battery is installed. And you can use the same method to remove the battery. To charge the 18650 battery, and we just need to connect RC8P to a computer or power bank via a Type-C cable. And please note, the input voltage for the Type-C port of RC8P is 5 volts. So please make sure the input voltage does not exceed 5 volts. And this is the Type-C cable, which comes with RC8P. Connect one end to the Type-C port of RC8P. And the other end is connected to the computer. A red light on the power button indicates that the battery is charging. When the battery is fully charged, there will be a blue light on the power button. The Type-C port can also be used to temporarily supply power to RC8P. When the Type-C cable is connected and no battery is installed, the power button will flash red and blue alternatively, with long blue flash and short red flash, and unplug the Type-C cable. Long press the power button to power on RC8P.
Welcome to RadioLink.
Here is the home page. And model 1, and this is the model name. And when R8FG receiver is powered on, there will be signal tower. And the transmitter battery voltage. The throttle value here. And this is the steering value. And this is the timer. RSSR value. RX voltage in the receiver voltage. EXT voltage is the model battery voltage. Throttle trim and the steering trim. And this is the exit or return button. And press it. We can view the monitor here and go back to the home page. And let's check how to set the functions with the buttons and the key. This is the scroll key. You can press it or scroll it. Short press the scroll key to enter the setting menu. And scroll the key up and down to move the cursor. For example, if I want to adjust the endpoint function, move to the endpoint and press the scroll key to confirm it. Select the value, and we can scroll the key up and down to modify the parameters. After the modification, and we can press the scroll key to confirm. And on the setting menu of RC8P, I can short press the power button to quickly view the monitor. And then press the power button once again to go back to the setting menu. And after the settings, I can short press the exit or return button to exit. After you receive the transmitter, you can adjust the system settings on RC8P and press the scroll key. You can select the language here. English and Chinese are supported now, and more languages will be added soon. And transmitter low battery voltage alarm is 3.6 volts by default. If the battery voltage of the transmitter is lower than 3.6 volts, there will be an alarm to warn you the battery voltage is low, and the power off voltage is 3.3 volts by default. When the battery voltage reaches 3.3 volts, RC8P will be powered off automatically, and the battery voltage alarm value can be set based on your needs. So these are the settings on the system menu. And you can also reset the system settings or reset the factory settings on the system setting menu. There are many other setting menus of RC8P, including model, reverse, aux/CH, switch audio, endpoints, RF setting, alarm, trims, feel safe, channel speed, channel hold, conditions, gyro, steering curve, throttle curve, brake curve, ABS, programmable mix, trainer, calibration, timer, sensor broadcast, and switch setting. You can refer to the detailed menu of RC8P to know more details of the receiver and other functions on the transmitter. Then you can mount R8FG on your model and use them. So that's all about the unboxing of RC8P.